and this is a video that showcases the basic switch on demo application, what is currently available, and showcases the current status in this topic. How to start a JNLP rich internet application is shown in another video in a how-to video, and how to basically interact with the navigator is also available in another tutorial video. Basically now we focus on the actual demo use case. And the demo use case provides some data in a kit system. In this case, data from Austria. It's rain data that is available here. It has been loaded from a free data source from the Lebensministerium from Austria. This data is freely available and has been imported to this system, or to this demo system instance. Basically, we arrange the data here in this virtual view. We arrange it by country, then by federal state, and then we have some measurement stations, all Gitterpunkte of Austria that have been or that are available and have been imported. Every measurement station contains synthetic rain in form of an IDF curve. We have different types here. They call it Bemessungsregen, Kostra-Regen, and Max-Mod, and all of them are IDF curves that we can see here. Basically, we have here the IDF representation. We see the title of this particular IDF curve. We have currently no description, we have no year attached, and we have the unit here, it's millimeters per hour, and we have a tabular representation of all the available data. We have the duration here, the frequency in years here, and the actual data in the table itself, in the different cells. And down below we have a chart representation of all the data. We have simply all the curves that result from data above here. This data can be exported using this export wizard. We simply export to a file. For example, we export it to my desktop, call it whatever, demo1, and then we are able to choose a converter that transforms the data in a specific format. We have a format description, we have an example, and currently we only have this one converter available in the system, but it's very easy to add another converter, very straightforward, so that you can easily export the data to any format that you like. Now the data has been exported and the file has been created on my desktop. Let's see if I can find it somewhere. Okay, there we go. Here's the file, demo1. The window here shows the data that has been produced. It's in the format that we've seen. We see here, for example, the very first cell 1, 5, and the actual value 6.2 millimeters per hour. But we can not only export the data, we can repurpose it. This is very easy. We can simply select a particular range, for example, like so. Then we perform a right click, and then we have the possibility to do Euler computation. It's this particular algorithm to produce synthetic rain events, short-term rain events. We have, or we can choose between two different types. In this case, we have the Euler type 2, or we want the Euler type 2. We have whatever, demo 1, and then the computation has been done. It's very fast, and then we, in the end, see the actual result of the computation right here. And then this data is also georeferenced. We can add it to the map. We have this data right here in Austria. We can have a look where it's exactly located. But this is not what we normally do. Normally we would either access data from the catalog, edit here, okay, but basically what we most likely do is we go to a specific region. For example, we want to go to Vienna or to Linz, go to Linz, and we want to know what data is available here. And for this, we have a spatial search available. We can search for all the data that is currently in the KIT system. And in this particular case, we are eager to get some information on IDF curves here in Linz. And we select the IDF curves. We, for example, use a rectangle as a search feature and then see what Linz has to offer. We can see these are the search results. This is data that is available in Linz, and from there we can then add all the data to the map and see where exactly this data comes from or is located. And then we can have a look at the particular description of the data. Last but not least, we have the possibility to import IDF data. From here, it's very similar to the export. We choose an input file. We choose, in this case, the file that I created before. It's the demo1 file. And then we have to choose a converter, very similar to the export. In this case, we have this converter, and then a new data has been created. And if I enter some metadata here, the name, description, and so on, then I can add it to the system right away. So, thanks for your attention. Goodbye.